Here you have your fourth assignment, the talking turtle assignment, with it broken down some different things that you can do from STO and CK all the way up to PLLY. So the first thing that everybody should be able to do is get Adrian to write a message to the screen, something like, hello user, please give me your name, creates a variable called name, and inside that asks the user to input their name. There is code previously in the lesson that you can readapt and reapply to make it do this. Remember, you're not being asked to invent programming, you're being asked to learn how to use skills that you've been taught. And then moving on, after that, he should write what a lovely name is. So if the user puts in Bob, it should say what a lovely name Bob is, replacing where this says name with the user's name. And then working your way through the challenges. Now, in your version of this, there will be a working example for you to look at to see what a good one would look like. So see what you can do your best, and submit it to your teacher.